Hi everybody, so basically today I'm gonna be making a tutorial on how to use Scratch for I know. So the basics, first I'm gonna, the basics. So first I'm gonna show how to make your characters walk. So if you have multiple than one sprite, or however you say it, let's just say I have two. So I have this girl and this girl. So you're gonna, and this boy. So you're gonna, whatever gender he is. So you're gonna wanna click on the sprite down below that you want to make it move. Say I'm gonna make the little cat over here move. So you can either do glide or go to. I will show what you. I'll show you both of them. So I recommend the go-to one and not the glide one, but yeah, just what, yeah. So as you can see where the arrow is going to be pointing to, there's an X and a Y. So you're gonna want to type in the numbers over here. So X is 46 and then Y is minus 64. So you're just gonna want to type in 46 and then minus whatever. Well, type in whatever number your cursor was on. My thing's a little bit glitched right now, so I can't really show you, but yeah. And then it's gonna like basically teleport you, and then the glide one is gonna be the exact same thing, except it's gonna glide like that. And then you can do how long it takes for them to glide, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so next it's going to be, just like how to make them talk and stuff. So you can do, one click would make more sense, and then you can do say hello, say 2 seconds, I'm gonna do that one, and then when you click this, they will say hello. So yeah, and then you can show and hide stuff. So say if I hit it, nope, that's fail. Wait.
Oh my, he trapped me and I thought I died, but I didn't die.
Yeah.
Him down to 20 HP.
That's a little bit glitchy. But yeah, so you can just do that, and then you can, yeah. So now the next thing I'm going to be showing you is how to, where is it? How to switch customs. So,
I died from the trap, and then it turned out it was one of the insanely noob
let me show. There we go. See, when I click on this and then arrow, you get custom 1 and custom 2. Let me get a better example. So there's a puppy that I know moves. Where is he? There he is. I actually made a game on this. Dog. Okay, so here the puppy is. So here it is. Custom, so there's dog puppy right. Let me just, there we go. So he's probably already on that dog puppy sit. Dog puppy side, and yeah, you just go on like the letters, and then you can do one click, or another example is like, let me add another stage on. You can also, wait, let me grab another stage, choose backdrop. I'm just gonna choose one, but we will get to how to, make some yep. You can just choose one space and draw on them, which I will get to. Let me just say this one. Yep, so now I have 2 vet drops, and now you can go here, scripts, and then in the events you can go to when vet drop switches to light, the dog will switch to dog babysit. So yeah, but let me get that up and ready.
Kevin did so much damage to Tilted when he was still with us. Sorry, Kevin. It was from this. Yeah.
Okay, so like this. Then it will be setting. So then the next one I'm gonna do is well, how to do stages paint on them and all. So I'm gonna start with the white one, of course, and then I'm just gonna, well, down here are your colors you can pick. This is eye drop, so you can pick a color, and then there's these tools, but you can also convert to vector bitmap. So that's basically like just different logos and different stuff, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just gonna draw just the big and show you. And then once you click, like, take your hand off the mouse, it will appear. So yeah, and then you can like add little stuff to the characters, I'm pretty sure. Let me just zoom in. You can zoom in, zoom out, and make it like normal here. Oh, that's not fun. Okay, let's just work with it. So I'm gonna give him just a little weird bow and a little bow tie. But yeah, there we go. Then he has little characteristics. Then you can just, yep. Then that will be connected. Then you can just like draw on the others. And then, yeah. Fill in the button over here. It's a little bit glitched since it's, you know, separate dogs, speckles. Oh, I nearly forgot to mention, then down here you have like the gradients and stuff. Okay, so that's basically the drawing tips. And now, well, is there anything else I need to go over? Up here you can share, save, you can name it. So yeah. Sounds, I can go over sounds. So you start with a pop, and then if you go here, I guess I'll just do one click, sound, play sound, pop. So if you listen, then it'll make that song. Technically a song. You can make a song if you really want. It'll make that sound. Okay. So yeah, you got the motions, you got the looks, you got the sound, you got the little bit more complex stuff here. It's just like you can just like make little sidebars up here, you know, and you can make it change colors and I mean not colors, you know, number of it. And then Yep. You just gotta roll these. Oh, and when you see stuff like this, you can put these in the
Do you know
shell.
the glitch where if you chuck C4 and detonate it and then it blows up after you're dead? Because I killed someone.
Just like that.
And then you freaking chucked C4 and it landed and killed me.
So then you get your finished result. It might take you many days, I don't know, but yeah.
Just chucked it.
I don't think there's any other basics to this. So